And the worst part is that most people don't even know they're doing it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. My channel is all about law of attraction, manifesting, meditations, and more. So be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today's video is so important because it's all about a mindset block that's stopping you from manifesting and you might not even realize you're doing it. It doesn't matter if you are brand new to manifesting or you've been studying the law of attraction for a decade. You still might have this mindset block, and the second you discover it, it can change everything. So when practicing the law of attraction, you're supposed to put out the energy and put out the feelings of attracting the things you want into your life. Everything is energy, like attracts like. I'm sure you've heard all of this before, and if you haven't, I have a ton of law of attraction trainings on this channel, so be sure to just binge on through because you'll get a lesson on them all. But there is a huge mindset technique that I've been noticing more and more around my clients, and it's something I wanted to share with you because this has the potential to change so many lives. When doing mindset work, I love the idea of journaling, getting clear on the things you want to attract, getting clear on the feelings it would provide, and just getting clarity on why you want to attract certain things. Journaling is so important when doing the mindset work. And then the next step is you want to start removing limiting beliefs and removing resistance around the things you want to create. Because once you do that, you can become an energetic match and attract that into your life. So it sounds simpler than it is because our beliefs are really deep rooted. They are thoughts we've thought over and over and over again since childhood. So they're deeply ingrained in us. And those beliefs determine what we actually feel like we can expect to attract and what we feel worthy of. So when doing the mindset work, it's not about just focusing on the feelings of how it would feel to have whatever it is that you want. You're also working on removing resistance around what you want. Whatever you're feeling on the inside is what you'll see on the outside. I actually just did a whole post on this on my Instagram the other day. If you aren't following me, be sure to go follow me right now. It's at mkmagicmindset. There is tons of law of attraction tips and resources and daily inspiration there, so be sure to check it out. But whatever you're feeling on the inside affects what you see on the outside. So if you're feeling those feelings and you're vibing with it and you're in the energetic match and everything is going great, shouldn't it just automatically attract into your life? Well, no, because if you have any sort of deep-rooted beliefs or fears or any kind of resistance surrounding what it is that you're trying to manifest, then that is blocking it from coming into your life. So you can do the energetic work all the live long day. You can, feel those feelings. You can put out good energy into the universe and, write down everything that you want and make a vision board. But ultimately, if you have feelings of resistance around it, it can't manifest into your reality. So let's talk about the number one mindset block that is stopping you from manifesting, because this will change your life. The biggest thing I see as a mindset coach working with clients all the time is that sometimes the big things that you're trying to manifest, there's a mindset block of underlying fear beneath it that you might not even realize is there. So what do I mean by that? I mean, why would you be afraid of something that you want to create or something that you want to manifest? Or why would you be afraid to win the lottery and win $1 million? If you're honest with yourself and you get clear with yourself, see how you feel if that thing were to happen to you right now. Just go. Whatever you're trying to manifest, imagine it came true right now. Are there any kind of feelings of fear that it would disappear or go away, or fear that you weren't good enough to manifest this, or fear that you're not worthy enough of having this and what do you do with it, or fear that it would just shake up your life and change things too much, or fear that you would lose certain people out of your life? If you really get clear with yourself, fear is a huge resistance factor around manifesting the big things we want in life, because as human beings, we are creatures of habit, and sometimes change can be really scary, and sometimes we don't even realize that we're so afraid of change. We're used to life the way it is. So if something big happens in your life, that changes things, and that change can have underlying fear that we don't even realize is there. So for example, if you're trying to manifest winning the lottery, I hear that one all the time. Like, I said I wanted to manifest winning the lottery and I bought a ticket and then it didn't happen. The law of attraction doesn't work. No, absolutely not. That doesn't mean the law of attraction doesn't work. First of all, in that situation, how strong was your belief that you could actually have it in the first place? Unless you fully 100% truly know and believe it's yours, like deep down in your core and you have zero doubts about it, then you don't fully believe you can have it. And if you already fully believe you can have something, you wouldn't be asking for it. So there's a little bit of a belief disconnect there. So that's on a whole other topic. But anyway, so if you were to examine it, maybe there was a fear that if they won the lottery, something bad would happen, or that people would come out of the woodwork asking for money, or that they would get all this money and then blow it all and they'd be broke again. Like, there are a lot of deep-rooted fears that we have that we don't even realize we have. They're ingrained in us from what we learned as children, what our parents taught us, what their parents taught them, what we've experienced as a child, what we experienced as an adult even. We have such strong rooted beliefs and fears that we don't even acknowledge because nobody wants to face their fears. Nobody wants to examine their fears. Nobody wants to look fear in the face and decide that it's not true and to change it. So until you can really look at those beliefs, shift those beliefs, and really decide where that fear is coming from and how to change it, and to decide to form a new belief and kind of release that fear, then there's going to be a lot of resistance around what you're trying to manifest. This is a huge topic that I teach inside my program, Create. If you haven't joined yet, I highly recommend it. It literally changes lives. My members inside my mastermind are killing it and having crazy, insane shifts, because in this group, we have meditations, workbooks, and we get clear on what resistance we have and how we can shift our beliefs and form new thoughts. And every single month we build on it. So if that's something you're interested in joining, I highly recommend it. I'll leave a link down below. And if not, just be sure to look through my channel because I have tons of free resources in the meantime. But when you really have a desire to manifest something and you know that it's for your highest good and it's going to help you be the person you need to be, and it's going to help you provide for your family, and it's going to give back to the world and to the community, then follow it and see what fear comes up, and then try and shift those feelings of fear and form new thoughts and beliefs to allow it to come into your life. So the number one mindset block I see all the time is underlying fear that we don't even realize we have. And I'm guilty of it too. I still journal. I still decide to reform my beliefs all the time. Everyone is a work in progress. It's not like one day it clicks and then you never have fears again and you never have to do this work again. It's an ongoing process that you have to incorporate into your life in order to see the changes that you want. So there's always going to be fear that comes up. There's always going to be new fears that come up. So even if you start being able to accept that lottery win, or accept that extra income, or accept that new car or that new house, or whatever it is that you're trying to manifest, you might get to that point and you have that new thing. But there might be new fears that come up as you get to the next level and to the next level. And as you manifest more and more into your life, it's a cycle. It's things that come up for you. And these are all lessons that bring us to our higher self and make us better people. Life is a game and it's rigged in your favor. You just need to learn how to play it and how to advance to the next level, learn the lessons, and get through it. This really is a life-changing concept when you can be honest with yourself and acknowledge those fears and realize that they aren't true and that you can change them. You're the only person with the power to change them because you are the only you. There's a famous Dr. Seuss quote I love. It's like, there's no one else youer than you. I can't think of it, of course, at the top of my head right now, but I'll leave it in the description box below, but it's a great quote. So while we're in this energy of acknowledging and releasing resistance, let's just take a moment, close our eyes, get quiet, and allow yourself to just take a deep breath in and exhale. I want you to acknowledge that you are worthy of everything you want to create. You can have, be, or do anything that you want in this life. I want you to place your hand over your heart, and as you feel your heart beat, I want you to realize your divine power. You are alive. You are a miracle. I want you to repeat after me. I release and let go of what no longer serves me. I'm no longer afraid. I release and let go of what no longer serves me, and I'm no longer afraid. I release and let go of what no longer serves me, and I'm no longer afraid. And take a deep breath in. And exhale. And open your eyes. I want you to stay in this energy of releasing and letting go and no longer being afraid. This isn't a one-time fix. You're going to have to keep coming back to this and keep working through these fears. And I have a completely free money mindset workbook that I left a link down below. It's an instant download. This will help you on your journey, uncovering what's coming up for you, uncovering your fears, uncovering your beliefs about what you can have. And it's such a great resource. So I highly recommend just click the link below and it's an instant download for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share this with whoever you think needs to see this, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And follow my Instagram over at MK Magic Mindset. And to find out more about all of my programs and meditations and courses, be sure to check out my website, mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.